definitely don't like instant coffee.
I have a little difficult to find good spots. I thought before that it's a lot of forest road in this area, and it is, but everywhere it is some type of gate, or what you call it in English, that blocks the road. And I can't really remember that it was closed everywhere like now, but maybe it was. That I just don't remember. If the road is closed, it's closed. I will still try to find that spot that could fit my needs. A good place close to the road, and also close to water, so, and hopefully not occupied by other people. But today it started to get hard to find those places, because there is more people in the forest today than it was for about 3 or 4 years ago, and I don't like to have people around me if I don't choose to. We are planning to go on a trip here in July on my vacation, and then we will stay at camping places, camping spot, and try to find some cabin to stay in, or if everyone is taken, we will sleep in a tent, and we will probably go for camping places to have facilities to go to the toilet and things like that. We'll try to make a cup of coffee. I hope you can hear, because I don't have the external microphone for the GoPro, but mostly the internal microphone works very well. So probably if the sound from the water doesn't be too high, you probably can hear what I am saying anyway. I didn't have any water today, but I have taken water from the little lake here, and I will boil it, so it will not be any problem, I hope, at least. I'm not sure if you can see my little stove, but you have seen it before. It's a good spot to stay, I think. Probably this place is used by other people as well, because there is a boat here, and it's close to the road, and this is some type of recreation area nearby, and it's really close to the one of the parking spots for that recreation area, so it's a good chance that people are visiting this place. Right here it's not a very good spot for a hammock, because there is no trees next to each other without any smaller trees behind them, so you cannot hang a hammock, and depending on what type of tent you have, of course you can put up a tent, but this ground is very hard, so it can be difficult to put up a tent. Now this water is boiling, and everything is boiling very good. Today I have been to the workshop, and I have booked an appointment for service on Sonja's bike. I have now finished my coffee, and I will pack everything together, and after that I will go home, I think.
Well, this is a really nice spot. Here you definitely can put up a hammock and stay with a bike. Yes, I think I have found a really good spot here. Because this is stay here for a short it's a nice spot anyhow, I think. Well, that was all for this time. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give it a thumb up and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again in next video. Bye bye.